Well, we're gonna start by preparing our vegan chocolate. So it's just dark chocolate with no dairy. So now we're going to start making the chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to start with half of a cup of coconut oil, and we're going to add it to our stand mixer. You don't need a stand mixer. You can absolutely just use a fork, but I have a stand mixer and my beaters recently broke, so I'll just use the stand mixer for my own convenience. But certainly if all you have is a fork, you can still make this. Alright, and then to this, we're going to start. Well, we're not going to add anything yet. We're going to start creaming our coconut oil. Okay, after it creams for about a minute, and we're going to add in our 1 cup of sugar. Now it's up to you. It can be a half a cup of sugar if you like them a lot less sweet, or if you want to be less sweet than that, it could be 3/4 of a cup of sugar, whichever you want. Well, 3/4 of a cup of sugar if you want them less sweet, and half a cup if you want it even less sweet. But here is 1 cup, because I like them more sweet. We'll also scrape the sides down because this is, of course, a stand mixer. And we're going to cream the butter and sugar, well, not butter, but coconut oil and sugar together for a few minutes. Okay, so now our coconut oil and sugar have been creamed together, and we're going to add in a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then we're also going to add in 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. We're going to let that all get incorporated. And then we're going to lower the speed and go ahead and add in our 2 cups of flour. And in addition to that, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to throw that in now. It's already all been pre-measured. Okay, we're going to shut this off and scrape the sides down. It looks like it's going to need a little bit more almond milk, so we're going to add it 1 tablespoon at a time until it starts to come together. Okay, I think our dough is done now. I'm going to pull it from the hook. Okay, and then after this, we're going to stir in our chocolate chunks / chocolate chips with a spoon. Okay, so now we're going to add in the chocolate chunks that we chopped up earlier. And it's 1 chocolate bar. I'll give the measurements in the description box below. Okay. And these are the chocolate chip cookies. And we're going to bake them off in the oven now. Alright, so now we're going to measure out our cookies. I'm using just a tablespoon measurement here. And you'll just scoop a bowl and set it down. And you repeat until the tray is full. Now we're going to bake them at 350 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're lightly golden brown on the top, soft in the middle, and chewy on the outside. See you then. Now these are the cookies, fresh out of the oven. They're super, super hot. So be careful, let them cool before you eat them, or you'll burn yourself. So now we're gonna try these delicious, best ever vegan chocolate chip cookies. They're so good. So chocolatey and warm and soft on the inside and just a little crisp on the outside. I encourage you guys to give this one a try and enjoy. Until next time, bye for now.